Christmas decorations at home can completely transform the indoor atmosphere, bringing joy, warmth, and a renewed sense of excitement into the holiday season. The beauty of indoor Christmas decorations is that they create a space where memories are made, where loved ones gather, and where traditions come alive. These decorations offer much more than a seasonal facelift. They hold emotional benefits that bring us together, let us express our creativity, and create a magical ambience we only get to experience once a year. One of the greatest benefits of decorating indoors for Christmas is how it establishes a cozy and inviting environment. When we fill our living spaces with holiday touches like twinkling lights, lush garlands, ornaments, and festive table settings, it gives our homes a warm, welcoming vibe. The sight of a beautifully decorated Christmas tree, shimmering with ornaments, ribbons, and a touch of sparkle, becomes a focal point that draws people together. This warmth resonates with everyone who enters, making gatherings feel special and meaningful. Even if it's just close family, the presence of Christmas decorations brings a comforting feeling, helping everyone relax, unwind, and soak in the holiday spirit. Decorating for Christmas at home also helps lift spirits. The end of the year can be a mix of stress and fatigue, but holiday decorations help to reset that energy, giving us something joyful to focus on. The process of decorating can be enjoyable on its own too. Hanging ornaments, placing garlands, and setting up wreaths gives you a hands-on way to engage with the season and put aside daily worries. Holiday scents like cinnamon, pine, and peppermint add to the sensory experience, evoking positive memories that help you feel more connected with loved ones and holiday traditions. A practical advantage of indoor Christmas decorations is the opportunity to make your space feel more tailored and unique. Each household has its own spin on holiday style, and decorating becomes a chance to show that. Maybe you go for a classic red and green look, elegant metallics, or a whimsical mix of colors and textures. Every choice reflects personal style, and those small touches add up to create an unforgettable holiday setting. You can try different themes each year, or bring out cherished decorations from past holidays, blending new and old to keep things interesting and nostalgic. Decorating indoors for Christmas also gives children a deeper connection to the holiday season. Little ones love seeing the transformation that decorations bring, and involving them in the process allows them to build holiday memories they'll carry for years. You might let them help decorate the tree or hang stockings, creating family traditions that kids will look forward to every year. These memories become stories you pass down, strengthening family bonds and fostering a sense of togetherness that is so precious during the holiday season. When decorating indoors, it's worth thinking about each room individually. The living room, for example, is often the heart of holiday decor. A well-decorated Christmas tree here is almost essential, and you can add other elements like cozy blankets, holiday pillows, and a tray of festive treats to enhance the cozy vibe. If you have a fireplace, consider dressing up the mantel with garlands, lights, or even stockings. Little touches like this make each room feel thoughtfully prepared, and you'll enjoy the warmth and charm whenever you walk in. In the dining area, table settings make a big difference. A festive centerpiece, candles, and decorative place settings make every meal feel special, even if it's a simple family dinner. These details remind us to slow down and enjoy each moment with loved ones. Dining spaces are perfect for more personalized touches, like handwritten place cards or small ornaments tied to napkins. Adding these personal details makes your table settings memorable and creates a beautiful backdrop for shared meals and conversations. Bedrooms can also benefit from a bit of holiday decor. You might place a small Christmas tree on a nightstand, switch to holiday-themed bedding, or even add soft fairy lights for a magical effect. Waking up surrounded by subtle holiday touches adds to the joy of the season and sets a positive tone for each day. The kitchen, too, is often overlooked when decorating, but simple touches like festive dish towels, a wreath on the door, or even a jar of holiday treats on the counter can add holiday spirit in small but meaningful ways. Decorating indoors is also a chance to be creative with color schemes and themes. Classic red and green are always popular, but other color schemes like blue and silver or gold and white add sophistication and elegance. The right color palette can make your decorations feel cohesive and stylish, and switching it up each year keeps things interesting. For example, if you opt for a white and gold theme, consider using delicate white lights, golden ornaments, and white floral accents to add a serene wintry feel. On the other hand, a vibrant mix of colors can bring a more playful energy. There's also a sense of satisfaction in taking the time to decorate your home for Christmas. It allows you to slow down, be present in the moment, and appreciate each step of preparing for the holiday. And while it may take some effort, the result is a home that truly embodies the holiday spirit. By thoughtfully adding holiday touches throughout your living spaces, you're creating a backdrop for all the holiday moments to come. Even if you're decorating alone, it can be a therapeutic experience that brings joy. Setting up each piece mindfully, arranging ornaments, or choosing a theme encourages you to express yourself. And when you finally see the completed decorations, it's a reminder of the effort you put in to make the season special. The overall ambience created by indoor Christmas decorations is simply unforgettable. Walking into a room filled with holiday decor can make you feel like you're stepping into a world where everything is a bit brighter and more magical. The glow of lights, the sparkle of ornaments, and the festive colors work together to create an atmosphere that only comes once a year. Decorations enhance the spirit of Christmas, making your home feel like a place of warmth, comfort, and happiness. This atmosphere nurtures positive emotions and a sense of peace, reminding everyone in the home of the joy and blessings of the season. Beyond the immediate joy of the season, indoor Christmas decorations have a lasting impact. They create memories that stay with us long after the holidays are over. Each decoration often holds sentimental value. It could be a handmade ornament from a child, a vintage decoration passed down through generations, or a new piece chosen together as a family. These small items hold stories that become part of your holiday tradition, and year after year, they connect you to past celebrations and loved ones, whether they're near or far. An often overlooked benefit of decorating is that it provides a wonderful backdrop for holiday photos. When your home is beautifully decorated, it becomes a cozy and picture-perfect setting for capturing moments with family and friends. The memories you capture here, by the tree, around the dining table, or near the fireplace, are ones you can look back on and cherish. With the effort you put into your decorations, these photos are filled with warmth, color, and the spirit of the season, capturing memories that can last a lifetime. Finally, decorating your home for Christmas can be a form of self-care, grounding you and reminding you to take time to celebrate the beauty around you. There's something deeply satisfying about putting together a cozy, festive environment. As the season brings shorter days and colder weather, your decorated home becomes a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle outside. It's a place to unwind, share laughter, enjoy holiday treats, and relax by the glow of lights and candles. This sense of comfort and joy not only lifts your spirits, but can also make the season feel a little bit brighter for everyone who visits your home. Embracing indoor Christmas decorations is more than a tradition. It's an invitation to celebrate the things that matter most: family, friends, love, and joy. So, whether you go all out or keep it simple, decorating indoors for Christmas is a gift you give yourself and those you care about. It brings warmth, creates memories, and fills the season with a unique kind of happiness that stays with you, even when the holidays are over. As you decorate this year, know that every touch, every sparkle, and every small detail is contributing to something special that will resonate long after the season has ended. In the end, the benefits of decorating indoors for Christmas are about creating a memorable experience for yourself and those around you. It's not just about the decorations, but about the joy they bring, the memories they help create, and the way they transform our homes into places filled with happiness and holiday spirit. The effort you put into decorating pays off, and each detail, from the ornaments to the twinkling lights, contributes to a warm, welcoming environment that you, your family, and your friends will enjoy throughout the holiday season.